Hello YouTubers, it's Jarrett from usually the show with me and Josh and what is it? Josh? Tim? JRJ. Jarrett, Josh, Roger. Yes. Alright, but this ain't the show. I'm just showing you. Hey! Just a regular day, I'll show you my dogs. Because it's a Sunday day, I'm bored as hell. Might as well do something. Okay? There is my Cheyenne. Shane, look. There's my Bowser. Bowser! Look. Yep, that's my Bowser. Both the doggies. A full blood, what is it? Full blood. Full blood. Yellow lab. Usually they're like $100. A lot of money. Like that. You can't see it. It's a golden retriever full blood. Usually they're $500. We got free as a pup. That dog, we got free as a pup. And this pit bull mixed with something else. Some type of terrier. I don't know. The boy is a terrier, but it's mixed.
That's a bad thing, keeping that untied. Barry, why would you keep that door outside so you get out?
And this is my Fifi, a full blood collie. I got 2 full bloods and 1 mix. 1 mutt. 2 mixes. 2 full bloods and 2 in a mutt. Nice. She's awesome. Bowser's the pet. Cheyenne's a Cheyenne. That's the old lab. Oh yeah. They play with each other just fine. Except the little puppies came up on my big dog, my old dog. And it's time to say goodbye.